Welcome to the Next Steps Resource Hub, the most comprehensive online coaching resource to support you with Project Glad implementation and language development. Let's take a look at the supports you'll find as a Next Steps member. Your Resource Hub consists of 46 Project Glad strategies. The homepage is your roadmap to engage with the resources in a way that works best for you. Click on the Strategy Index for an alphabetized access point to all the strategies. Or maybe you're a visual person and prefer to find the strategy you want by its picture or component area, such as focus and motivation, input, and so forth. For those interested in a more structured approach, you can access the strategies grouped into 7 different professional development modules. However you access the strategies, you'll have everything you need for implementation. For example, here's the Take It to Writing module that focuses on informational writing. The first strategy in this module is the pictorial input chart. Like all strategies, it includes a series of videos covering background knowledge, why and when you would use this strategy, how to prepare the materials step by step, delivering instruction, and extending and applying the strategy in new ways and contexts. Within the delivering instruction lesson sequence, you'll get to view the strategy with elementary and secondary students as many times as you want. You'll also benefit from coaching packets, highlighting key takeaways, materials needed for prep, templates, delivery steps, and sample prompts for student conversations or writing. Within your Resource Hub, you're never alone. Send us a quick question using the Ask the Trainer link, or join one of the live coaching sessions each month. Your Resource Hub is available 24/7 from September 1st to July 31st. Come on, join the fun, increase your strategy impact, and meet us in your Next Steps with Project Glad Resource Hub.